This is a video about connecting the power cable to the i7 Pro dash cam. Since the i7 Pro dash cam features built-in radar parking monitoring, its power cable requirements are somewhat unique. The power cable must have an account signal detection function to enable the dash cam to power on and operate properly. Next, we will use the phone charging cable, the USB cable included in the package, and the hardwire kit to power up the dash cam in sequence. Now, let's start testing. Now, we are using this phone charging cable to connect to the phone, and the phone can be charged normally, indicating that this power cord can be powered on and work normally. Insert this phone charging cable into the power interface of the dash cam, but the recorder cannot be turned on. Then, we replaced it with a USB cable to power on the recorder. After connecting the USB cable to the dash cam, it can be turned on normally or manually turned on and off. From here, it can be seen that connecting the phone charging cable to the dash cam and not turning it on does not mean that the recorder is faulty. It is because this phone charging cable does not have account signal detection function, so the dash cam cannot be turned on normally. Now, we use the hardwire kit and dash cam connection. It can also make the dash cam power on normally. So, if you also encounter such a situation, please use the power cord we provided to power on the recorder for testing.